Hello everyone, I'm back with a new video. I hope you are well and watch this video carefully until the end to learn well and use this strategy, because actually the strategies and methods that I teach are practical and are effective in all markets, including forex and crypto. Let's go to our strategy. One of the advantages of this strategy is that it is not limited to one or more time frames. I can use it both as a scalpel and as a swing. I myself use a time frame of 5 minutes so that the result is known quickly. We set the time frame to 5 minutes. We need two indicators: shaft process cycle, exponential moving average, which we add to 4 from the indicators section. From the EMA indicator section, we change the number 9 to 200. By means of EMA 200, we understand the price trend. For example, here the price is above EMA 200, so it is progress. And if the price is below the 200 EMA, like this area, the trend is bearish. The shaft trend cycle indicator has many tips and is very useful. But in this strategy, to help this indicator, we recognize the momentum and strength of the trend. For example, in which part of the chart the price will move sharply. This indicator consists of red and green points, which I will explain to you. By combining these two indicators, our strategy is formed. Our job is to detect the price trend and momentum and open in these areas. So far, I have introduced two indicators and explained what we are going to do. Let's go to the chart to show you how the strategy works in a practical way, with many examples. The version you see in this part of the chart is the low price of the 200 EMA and it is bearish. Because it is a downward trend, we are looking for short positions. Now we go to the shaft trend cycle indicator. This red dot that the indicator shows. Our entry points are for positions and we can take shorts in these positions. It does not matter at which point. So we open a short position in this area. And we will certainly set stop loss and tippy. We place the stop loss above the last roof and the tippy at least 5 times the stop loss. That was the whole strategy. So easily. If you want to profit in the market and earn money, you have to pay. The cost is the same as time and energy. You were able to do it easily by using this method and lots of practice and back testing. So, in general, we pay attention to several issues. 1. Trend detection by EMA 200. 2. If the trend was downward, we open a short position in the red points of the shaft trend cycle indicator. 3. If there was progress, we will open a long position in the green points of the shaft trend cycle indicator. Let me give another example. In this section, the price broke the EMA 200 and went above it, so it is progress. And we are looking for a long position. We open a long position at this green point, which is our entry point. We place stop loss and tippy as in all positions. Our prices are with profit. In this sector, there is a downward trend, and we are looking for a short position. So, at this red point, we open a short position and place a stop loss and tippy and wait. The position you see is closed with profit. If you like the video, please like it. And if you have any questions, comment so that I can answer personally. We have reached the end of the video and as always, I will give other examples so that we can make a better decision. Bye until the next videos.